welcome to this week's new release video. Happy New Year's Eve. Our annual New Year's Eve sale begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here in a couple of hours, I guess depending on when this video gets uploaded, I am currently at Mom's. And this is the floor. This is the only place that I can get that the shadows aren't as bad. I can see that they're still not the best. Anyway, so for our New Year's sale, what we do is base kits, which is the 4-page version of the kit here. Those will be $12, marked down from $19.95. Codes are not needed for this. And then the micro versions of the kit are normally $9.95. These will be $6. We are semi-ready to ship right now. I do have our processing times up to 1 to 2 weeks for this sale, just because we're waiting on a couple of shipments of foil that I want to make sure we get in time, just in case they don't show up in time. I went ahead and extended. But anyway, so stock is limited. If things do sell out, we're not going to be restocking them during the sale, just because I've pretty much got things where we can finish them. So we're doing kind of like a semi-ready to ship, meaning everything that is on the website that is not new releases is stocked, and then I am stocking releases the week after. So we're able to get those done within a couple of days, and then we are able to keep processing times down. Anyway, but for this sale, it'll be 1 to 2 weeks. And hopefully it'll still be the actual 5 to 7 business days and not up to 2 weeks. It just depends on when that foil shows up. Anyway, okay, let's get through new releases really quickly. So the first one that I've got here is called Wine. I have shown both of these in the Facebook group as well as on Instagram. So this is the wine kit. I kind of don't understand how we didn't have a wine kit to start with, but at least we have one now. So those are the full boxes. I'm going to try to get through this video as quickly as possible because I've got to upload this on Mom's Wi-Fi and it is not the best. So your second sheet has your boxes. You have your bow checklist, ombre bow checklist, your dividers down here. And next sheet has got your headers. You've got your cut washi, and then you've got your boxes down at the bottom. And then your last sheet has got your bottom washi, date covers, bow washi, and some flags, as well as your trackers. So this is the bottom washi for the wine collection. Show you guys both of these together. I love how this turned out. So that is the wine collection. So the options for the kits that have the scripts or the icons or ombre heart checklist for that matter, none of those are going to be on sale. I have removed stock from almost all of that to move it over into the base kits. And then here is the micro version of this kit. You've got your checklist, ombre checklist, some functional down at the bottom, boxes, 3 full boxes, and then this is the second page for micro. You've got your date covers, your washi, and your boxes up top, a row of headers over here. So that is the wine collection. Moving on, this is called Adventure. I love how this one turned out as well. So just kind of a camping kit, which was not the original direction that I was going with for this kit, but it's where I ended up. Your headers, and this is your bottom washi. I love how this turned out with the mountains and the birds. And then your micro version of the kit are these 2 sheets right here. So I'm sorry that this video was so short. If you guys have any questions about the sale, please feel free to ask in the comments down below. It begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, December 31st. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a safe new year, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.